even know how to use my own computer. Yay. Wait, is that lifting? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to film a small interpreter's I always say interpreter instead of entrepreneur. A small entrepreneur's business makeup. I've been looking at like small entrepreneur videos and like looking at how they grow their business online, and I decided why not just buy something from them, and I might just like keep buying them. So I am going to review a small entrepreneur's business makeup, and I will see if it was worth my money. Before you watch the rest of this video, I want you to do a couple things. I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the big red button that you see that says subscribe, and I want you to also hit the bell notification to get notified every time I post a new video, and follow me on all my socials, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my Twitter, all at RoseMetics, and go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up because you're gonna love it. And yeah, that's about it. And let's just carry on into the video. That way, that way, that way, that way. Are you looking yet? Are you looking yet? Or do I give you a second to subscribe? Like, let me wait. Did you subscribe? Okay, let's get into it. So, first things first, I ordered this. Let me go on. Do I remember her website? Google. Her name is Ari J, so I think her website is made by AriJ.net. Yeah, her website. Woo! Guys, something always happens every time I film. Her website is made by AriJ.net. If you guys wanna, as my computer is loading, let me just explain to you guys. She sells lip glosses and eyelashes and eyeshadow palettes. So, I got the Made by Ari J palette, and let me just go ahead. It came in this pink packaging. So she wrote Fragile on the package, which I like. And there's the palette. It's pretty big. I thought it was gonna be small, but it's big. And she has a thank you card in there. So right here, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy. www.madebyarij.net, and then there's a picture of her on it. It's all pink and silver and white, so I really like that. And the palette, it looks like this. It's kind of like it looks like the Jaclyn Hill palette a little bit. I don't know if you guys know Jaclyn Hill, but that's the palette I see it looks like. So yeah, and then it retails for $12. I got it on sale for like $6, but I guess the sale is gone now. So yeah, this is our exclusive eyeshadow palette. This palette consists of 35 highly pigmented eyeshadow colors. This palette can be used for any eye makeup look. This palette consists of warm, cool shade as well as shimmery shades. Made by Ari J palette. Made by Ari J. What? Made by Ari J palette is sure to change your makeup experience. I hope it really does. Okay, so she says there are 35 shades in there, and it has a whole bunch of ingredients in the back, and there's a lot of cute pictures on there. She shows her palette, and then she shows her doing like a couple looks with it. Anyways, let's do a quick swatch of some of the shades. Cause I'm excited, guys, cause this has so much color, and I do not have a palette with color. So if that is a good palette, then we got something. We might have something here. I don't see any names, so I guess she didn't write any names for the palettes. So let's just go ahead and do the shade swatches. I'm gonna stand up for this because yeah. And pull out my arm. So I'm gonna start with the first row. So it has 35 shades, so guys, get ready. I need to get like a makeup wipe near me. Alright, so I'm starting with the lightest shade. Let me put that here so the camera doesn't shake. Right here. Let's just give the palette a little chance, okay? Let's just give it a little chance. Okay. So this is the first row. I will never use these colors because yeah, I won't use these colors, but I might use it on other people that are lighter than me. But let's see. It's good for the buck. Like if you get some good eyeshadows, and there's fallout. There's a lot of fallout. Like this is my first row, and you can see the fallouts. You just saw me blow them off. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe it off and try the second row. The colors are definitely a little bit sheer because each of those colors I had to swatch them 2 times because it wasn't showing up on my hand. But the colors are nice. The consistency is very like powdery, so that's not bad. The glitter, like this color is popping. Like this one right here is popping. The red is really good, and the browns over here like transition colors, so I think I can use those for something. This is the third row. The glitters are very nice. Like it looks a little brighter than in real life than on camera right now for this third row, but I'm really loving the glitters in that third row. Like this color was one swatch and it was bomb. Like it's a copper reddish, and I really like that. Like you can make a look with these 4 colors alone. Like you can use, like I feel like it's set up in a way so that you can use each row can be done, like you can do something with each row, because there's neutrals, there's glitters, there's transition colors. So yeah, so I really like the fact that she set it up like that. I don't know if she had, yeah, I like that. So now we're about to do the the 4th row. The last 2 tones right here, you can barely see them because they're like very close to my skin tone, but I love this purple right here and this blue right here. I really love it, and I also love that brown. Ooh, I'm excited. I don't know what look I'm gonna give you guys with this. I really like that. That's a nice row. Like I have some good transition colors here. Like they're the same color as my skin, so I can use those. I really like that. Let's go ahead and do the 5th row. These greens are stunning. I love those greens. They look so good in real life. I love them. The black kind of disappointed me. I thought it was gonna have a longer I thought the color was gonna be way darker. Like it only that's where I put my finger down and swiped, and I just put my finger down, all the pigment came in, but when I swiped it was definitely sheer, so that means like when I'm gonna blend it out it's gonna become like this. Oops, something just fell off. Yeah, kind of disappointed in that. There's a lot of fallout also, but yeah, now let's get into actually finding what we're gonna do with our face for this, because I don't know. That's the first time I've had so many colors. I don't know what to do. Okay, we're gonna figure it out. See you soon. I tried something, I did not like it. So now I think I'm going to either go for the greens or the browns. But I'm kind of tempted to try the greens because I always do browns. So let's just challenge myself a little and see if I don't look a mess at the end of this. So I'm going to grab the darker matte green and I'm going to put it all over the outer corner of my eye. It looks like I have a black eye on camera, but it don't look like that in real life. So this is the reason why I'm scared. Okay. The green is on. Let's see. Because you know how makeup be, it'll look like a mess until you finish, right? So let me go ahead and go with lighter green to put it right under. So I went ahead and I cut my crease using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC45. I'm going to go in with these green glitters that you see right here. These two. I'm gonna try to do like an ombre-ish type thing. Okay. Let's try this again. So it's definitely very sheer. Wow, I'm scared. Eyeshadow, can you clock in already? Like, come on, girl. Clock in with the pigment, sis. Okay, you guys can see it looks. You guys can see something on camera, so that's good. But me, I definitely see some concealer under the pigment, so wow, this is definitely not something I would normally do on my face. Where's the glitter of this one? I look crazy as hell, y'all. I never do this much on my eyes. So I wanted to do this ombre looking green glitter in my eye, and it did not come out as planned. So it looks all the same, but I'm going to go back into like that dark brown, and then I'm gonna blend it out. And I'm gonna soften the edges of my cut crease. I'm going to add my Stila, I forget what this is, liquid glitter. I'm going to add my Stila liquid glitter. Wow, wow. My Stila liquid glitter to fix my cut crease. Guys, if I add this and it looks bad, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna go into one of the golds and I'm gonna add this to my inner corner. I'm going to add the purple, since the glitter right here is like purple, if you can see it. I'm gonna add the purple under my eyes. Just like so. And I want to use my concealer to clean out. Wow, where's my concealer brush? I'm gonna use my concealer to clean out the outer portion of my eye. If I can find my brush. Wow. 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 I just ruined my whole eye. This is the reason why I hate using this one. Eyeliner does you dirty. Very dirty. I feel like I look crazy. That's the first time I ever do something so crazy. Colorful and everything. This is very bold for me. This is like extra bold for me. Like, I'm not used to this. Wow, so not used to this. It doesn't look bad from in person, but that is super bold. I'm definitely not used to all of this. Okay, now I'm gonna do my mascara and pop some lashes, and I think we should be done. So that was kind of crazy, but okay. I can't, like, I'm still shocked at what I just did to my face. Like, anyways, I think my makeup, I think it's not bad. I'm even questioning my own self right now. Like, 35 shades for $12, that's a steal. Like, that's a steal. This is very good. I really like them. Like, I really like them. They're not bad. So the big question is, did I waste my money? I think for $12 you get all of these shades. I think it's pretty good, cause like if you do like the James Charles palette and the Jaclyn Hill and all the Morphes, and they're mad expensive. And if you on a budget and you're trying to create a look, this could definitely help you. Like, it could definitely be very useful. So for performance, I would give it a 3.5 star for performance, because it has a lot of fallout in the palette and on your eyes. Some of the colors are a little sheer, but the glitter colors are amazing. The glitter colors are bomb. The matte colors are a little sheer. That's really why I would give it a 3.5 stars, because of the matte, because there's more mattes than glitters. Yeah, there's 35 shades and there's a lot of glitters in there. You definitely can do something with this. You definitely can do something good with this. So I really like that. Good job. Good job, girl. Good job. This is what I did to my face. I went with a nude color because too much going on here, like too much. And next time I'm probably gonna do a nude look for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And before you click out, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up, and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And follow me on my socials, my Twitter, my Instagram, and my Facebook, all at WatchMeSpendMoney. And if you guys want to be part of the dedicated fan of the week, go ahead and comment. Whoever is the first person to comment, or whoever I see that is following me on my socials and that comments under my video, could be chosen to become a dedicated fan of the week, and I can put your Instagram handle right here for the next dedicated fan of the week. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.